Now we're gonna do this example, 9B. There are two ways to do it. You can expand this x plus 1 to the 4 to see the polynomial, but it is time consuming. It's not practical. It's not the way we want. So that is why we want to do it faster in an easier way. So if we do substitution, we let u to be x plus 1, then du over dx will be u prime, which is x plus 1 prime or is equal to 1. In other words, du equal to dx. Okay, that is the first things. This is the definite integral. Therefore, the limits of x will be from 0 to 1. But now if we change the variable here, we also need to change the limits. Okay. At x is equal to 0, what is u? Correct. U is 1. At x is equal to 1, then u will be, you're right, u will be 1 plus 1, which is 2. Okay, now if we call this integral is b, then b, now we write everything in terms of u. We should use it, change everything, the limits, the variables at the same times. Okay, here u is x plus 1, therefore x will be correct, u minus 1. So this guy becomes u minus 1 and x plus 1 is u, therefore this guy is u to the 4th. Dx we should also change to du. Anything else? Yes, the limit. The limit now run from 1 to 2. Okay, very good. Now we distribute this guy. This becomes an easier integral. U to the 4th times u's will be u to the 5th here, minus u to the 4th du. Remember, when we write integration, we also should write the variables here, du or dx or whatever variables here. If you missed this, it is a terrible mistake. Okay, so integral of each of the sums or the difference here would be the sums or difference of the antiderivative, which is u to the 6th divided by 6 minus u to the 5th divided by 5 here. And what else? Yes, the limit. This is the limit of u from 1 to 2. This is the u variable. Now you can evaluate the value with respect to u, or you can also change to the x variable. If we change everything into x variable, it will be x plus 1 to the 6 here divided by 6 minus x plus 1 to the 5th here divided by 5. Yes, you're right. Be careful with the limit. When we change everything back to the variable x, we should also change the limit. Here, u from 1 to 2, x will run from 0 to 1. And finally, it will be 2 to the 6 divided by 6 minus 2 to the 5th divided by 5 here. Subtract here 1 over 6, because x is equal to 0, this disappeared. 1 to the 6, and here minus 1 to the 5th. And the final result, you compute it yourself. So again, a reminder is that be careful with the limit here. You can use either this formula or this guy in use or x. It's up to you, because this is definite integral. The final result will be a number